Hey, what's up guys, y bienvenidos a mi canal, and if you're new, welcome. I just want to hop on here real quick and let you guys know my course is having 25% off, not only in Macy's but also on their online store. But if you shop through Macy's, they are giving $20 money back for every $150 you spend. So not only will you get 25% off, but also they'll give you $20 back if you spend more than $150. And not only that, don't forget to shop through Ebates because you would also get cash back that way. So you will be saving a huge chunk of money if you shop those three ways. And also, the sale ends September 25th. The sale is live now, September 12th, and it will end September 25th. I really do recommend you guys getting those bags. These are very great bags, very great quality and affordable. I have a video, I will link it down if you're interested. Check it out. But I own that black one right there. And it's a great everyday crossbody bag. Now these are not part of the 25% off sale, but these are greatly marked down. Since they're already marked down, you can't get an extra 24% off. The 20% off only applies to, I believe, regular priced items and a great selection of bags. But oh boy, was I surprised at what great price these are marked down to. $114 for this gorgeous backpack. It's like, if I didn't have quite a few backpacks, I would have bought one of these. I mean, the prices that I'm seeing, I'm like shocked at how marked down they really are. So if you're looking to buy a Michael Kors bag, now is the time to take advantage of this, not only the sale that they got going on, but of the new markdown bags, because the price couldn't be better. Don't forget, the sale will end September 25th. So if you enjoyed watching this video or was helpful, I'll appreciate if you gave me a like, subscribe, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.